So, hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to try or be featuring another product from Daiso, which is this eyelid tape. Oh, you cannot see it. Eyelid tape. Yes, I've tried. Oh, why is it not focusing? Like once something like this before, but yeah. So I'm gonna try another one again this time. So as you can see, I'm gonna show to you that I have pretty much an even eyelid. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, on this eye, on my right eye, it's pretty droopy compared to this one. As you can see, I still have my fold. You can still see my fold, and here it's like droopy. If I look down, I don't know if you can see that. I'm looking at the mirror right now, but it's really very uneven. And if I'm going to like look at you directly, it's more uneven looking. So this is going to be the eye that we are going to correct with this eyelid tape. I'm kind of excited to be trying this one. Hopefully it will work. This is going to be my second time, I think, to try an eyelid tape, and I don't know how to use it correctly. We will be trying this together. This video is more of a first time beginner type in trying this eyelid tape. So yeah, let's take a closer look again with my uneven eye. This is the most uneven. I think I'm just going to do the one eye just to even out with this one. So hopefully I could like do this properly during our first attempt. As you can see, I already did some of my face. I already have an eyebrow, a little BB cream mixed with moisturizer, blush, and some contouring and whatnot. But I made sure that I did not apply anything on my eyelids because, yeah, I did not apply anything on my eyelids because this is a tape, and if you apply something, maybe this will not stick on. So I'm just gonna quickly read here. Hopefully I will be doing this video very quickly. So this is an eyelid tape from Daiso for thick eyelids, because I believe that this eyelids of mine is really thick, more droopy, and a lot of skin. So maybe I am in that category. So this one is the single-sided tape, clear and hard type. So they have two variants on this one. The more on the like the soft fit type, and as you can see, this has a more clear colored adhesive. They also have the other one, which is more of a band-aid or skin tone colored adhesive. So this is the one that I picked out for the hard thick eyelids, they say. So going to quickly run over the instructions on how to use this, because to be honest, I really don't know how to use this, but this is mostly self-explanatory. Sometimes this kind of product seems to be easy to use, but when you do it yourself, it started to get complicated. Yeah, that's what I noticed sometimes. So let's quickly read what is the instruction. Wipes. Oh yeah. First is wipe sweat and oil off your eyelid. Peel the tape carefully from the end using tweezers or a pin. Fold the release paper back gently at the end of the tape will rise up, making peeling easier. Okay, stick below the line where you want the fold. If the tape is too long, cut it at the corner, at the outer corner. Okay, this is it says specifically if you want to cut the tape, you need to cut it at the outer corner, not the inner part. Okay. Oh, what's this? When removing the tape, touch a wet cotton ball to your eyelid. Huh? When huh? I don't know, this is not clear. At the end of the day, this is the part where you wanted to remove your underlid, so you just wet a cotton ball to remove it. So that's the part, removing parts. So now that we're done reading the instruction, I guess we'll get started on applying the eyelid tape. Hopefully that I could secure this or apply this properly. Yeah, let's go. So now I'm making sure that my eyelids are pretty dry so that the tape will stick. So I'm just gonna wipe again with a tissue. So I think it's pretty dry now. This is the part that is kind of difficult. Okay, I get it. So here's our tape because I took the right side because I wanted to stick it on the right end, not the left end, so that it would be easy for me to stick on the right side, right eye. So here we go, kind of excited and nervous at the same time. So here we go. So I'm just gonna success try my best to, like, make it even. So as you can see, this is more higher, this is lower. So oh my god, here we go. So I'm just gonna check where I'm gonna place it. Okay, maybe here. Whoa, gosh. Okay. Oh my god, I screwed up. So it is now there, but it's kind of crooked looking. So as you can see, yeah, I have a fold there. What I find is you need to be very precise when you stick the tape. It's because whenever it touches the skin, it grabs the skin right away and sticks right away. So I do not even have so much effort in sticking the tape, and it's there already. So I don't know. I feel like it's a little crooked looking. So yeah, I don't know if I wanted to do it on the other side because this is more like this. Now that I feel like the other side is kind of droopy looking, it's not even. So let's try on the other eye, I guess. Okay, I'm back. So I already stick the left side. I must say I'm having hard time sticking it on the left side because this is I need to make sure that I will be placing it the same placement with the first eye. So whether which eye you do first, the second time is a little harder because you need to secure them in the same way you secure the first eye. So yeah, I think I'm done. I pretty much applied it. This is all I can do, guys. I don't want it to repeat again. So the first time that I stick it in the left eye, I did the first try, the second try, and the third try. Yeah. So so that is just the part that it's getting a little tricky. So what I find that when sticking this one, make sure that you don't touch the tape with your fingers, because if you happen to touch it with your finger, the oiliness and all the stuff that is in your finger will transfer right away to the tape, and it will, like what happened to me on the first try on the blinded. I touched the end of the tape, and then the outer part, or the part where I touch it, it won't stick on my eyelid anymore. So as you can see, it's pretty not very invisible, but not very noticeable, I guess. If you are far away from me, you cannot see that I'm wearing any eyelid tape. This is more invisible compared to the one that I tried first. And just make sure to touch the tape using only the tweezer, not your finger, so that it will look like this, just look like your skin. It would be very transparent. Yeah, so that is the trick on really applying it, like a little invisible, I guess, but it's not really that invisible. So yeah, that's just a little trick, and I think you need also to master it. Yeah, make a little practice, because obviously the first time you're going to apply this on your lid needs more effort, especially in balancing the placement or putting it on the same place from the other eye. So yeah, that's just bear that in mind. So let's try to look again with my, it's pretty even now if you're going to compare this my eyelid from the beginning. So yeah, just need more practice. So let's take a closer look. I'm gonna close my eyes. I think you could still see the eyelid tape if you are very close to the person, but if you're afar and you're applying makeup, I guess you will not be able to tell, or if you're doing a video, you will not be able to tell that the person or me is wearing eyelid tape. So I'm pretty impressed with the adhesion. Hopefully, if I sweat up later, I don't know if this will peel off. Hopefully, I'm gonna, you know, check back later again. I don't know, but this is it. Yeah, we successfully attach the eyelid tape on our eyelids without so much struggle. Just like a level 2 or 3 struggle. Yeah, so I'm just going to complete the rest of the makeup and be back. To finish applying the rest of my makeup, I just did a pretty tiny eyeliner on the upper waterline of my eye, just to make a little definition, and a little mascara. And on the eyelid part, I did not apply any eyeshadow. I guess I just slightly just some bronzer on the on the eyelid, just to ensure that my eyelids will not get oily as fast as it wants to get oily, because I have an oily skin. So typically for me, I get oily very fast and very, very oily. Currently, I'm gonna post a time. It is 9 a.m. in the morning, and I will be back to see the how this eyelid tape has held up at the end of the day. So see you there. So hey everybody, I'm back, and let's see how our eyelid tape has held up. Yeah, let's see how it has held up. So although today is not that hot, it's like around 20 or 22 degrees daytime high. We went to the outlet. It was a little chilly there. The wind is a little chilly, so I did not have really got the chance to sweat. Although even though I did not sweat that much, but still my face got a little oily, and yeah, and I was so excited. I'm so excited right now to report to you all what happened to our eyelid tape. So are you all ready? So here we go, guys. I am so amazed with this eyelid tape from Daiso, because it is, I don't know if you could tell, but my eyelid looks pretty the same still, I guess. Yeah, if I'm gonna look right into the camera, I don't know if you could tell, but it has really held up. And as I'm checking here in my mirror, my god, there are sweats accumulating on the parts of the eyelid tape, but oh my god, it's amazing because it did not lift at all. Oh my god. And yeah, I did not retouch on my eyelid area. I did not apply any powder, whatnot, but pretty amazing. I know I'm gonna go closer. Hopefully you could see it, but can you see there are sweats here? Can you see that part? Hopefully the camera could pick this. Yeah, there's some sweat accumulating, but I don't know if you could tell, but there's no lifting. Diba? Pretty amazing. I am speechless. I'm really speechless about this eyelid tape. I haven't seen this one before, because yeah, I am pretty sure that I've tried one from Daiso before, but not this type. This one is for thick eyelids. It pretty much held up my droopy eyes, because I have excess skin already on my eyelids since I'm already in my 40s, guys. Believe it or not, I'm already in my 40s, so my eyes kind of droops more compared to when I was 30 or 20. So yeah, so pretty amazing. This brand in particular, there are a lot of eyelid tapes that are sold in Daiso, but oh my god, this one in particular, I chose this one because it's a little thick, and it's like, oh my gulay, pretty amazing. I'm so amazed. Check this out. If you have a hooded eye, or you are a monolid, better try checking this one. Oh my god, from Daiso. So yeah, I'm speechless. I'm amazed. I cannot believe that this worked. I'm so excited to try this in the summertime, because I get more oilier during that time. So pretty much excited to try this. Yeah, what else to say? Highly recommend this one from Daiso. Their eyelid tape. Make sure to get this one, okay? Did I mention what time is it already? So we started like around 9 a.m. this morning. Yeah, around that time. So check this out. What time is it? So it is already 9 p.m. 9 in the evening. Oh my God. 12 hours. Still intact. Eyelid tape is still intact. I think it's a wrap, and I hope you find this video interesting. There's really a lot of interesting products that are available in Daiso right now, guys. I'm not kidding. There's a lot of products that are so tempting. So if you're interested on trying an eyelid tape that is very cheap and not cheap. Yeah, it's cheap, but it works amazing. There are a lot of eyelid tapes that are available at the drugstore. It will cost you like 700 yen or 500 yen, but that one was only 100 yen. Cannot really beat the price. So if you're interested in an eyelid tape, make sure that you get that particular one from Daiso. Highly, highly, highly recommend. So I think I'm gonna end this now. So I hope you've enjoyed and watching this video, and also I hope that this has helped you a lot. So thank you always for tuning in, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. Thank you always for watching, friends, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!